Thank you so much. My name is NDAYIZEYE BORIS. My leg number is 25RP 08884. Today I'm going to complete a task you have been given by teachers, uh, which is for making a web page of the enterprise, which is Nguka Limited, a company that sell ICT tools. So as you see, uh, I have created uh, all file will be used like index.html, script.js, and style.css, and even about as our scenario asks us to do it. So first of all, I'm going to start in index.html for creating our or designing our user interface, which will include all things user must see when they access our application. First of all, we are going to start by making our application. I understand that we are in HTML. Then we use a doc type, then HTML, lang, then close it. Our header, which will include meta cast, meta car set, sorry, meta car set should be UTF -8, and then the title of our page, which is Unguka Limited. Then there is no third one here, so we are going to enter in our body, body. But we have to make sure that we are under the HTML. Let's start our body. So our body will include all user information must see in our page, which will include a title, which is welcome to ICT Tool Shop, with respecting to the instruction you have been given to do, like I think is make a background which is look good, width of the page and height of the page. I remember that it must not go above 100 pixels. Then you are going to start by header section. Let's move in caps lock. Then class will be our header. Then header one will be welcome to ICT tools shop. Yeah, I think it is the scenario ask to do something like this. Then after we have crossed our header, then we are going to declare our main visibility information for our user. Then this part we can make a comment for this part for if even if we make the mistake, we can it can help us to find the problem easily and fix it. Let's make some comment for declaring that we are going in part 2, which will help us to know where we are. Then let's call this part like part 2. This is this part. This is part 1. Also, this is part 1, and then close it. Also, it is closed, but let's move. Then we are going to declare our div class, which will be like this is the main part. So let's code main part. Then close it. So we are going to declare div again for class. Let's call our class, which is equal to no, we are in long mode. Then let's come here, class, which is like, let's make it like the then come here and declare again div, then class here, which will be box box computer. So as you see in our scenario, we are asked to make computer to assume the average price of computer is like 3 million, and we are asked to display the price when the client cursor are hovered to the product computer. So we are going to make it by the difficult, but we are going to make it computer. Then very like span. Let's use span class, span class price. Then put here 3 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Francs. Our span is closed. Then also div is closed. Then after this div, we are going to create some our items. Then let's declare div again. Then class it will be a box. Which is then close it. Box 1, it is a camera. So let's copy it. Let's copy this for making. Then put here, and box 2 it will. Let's move phone. Firstly, it will bring printer as they are asked to do. So here we will add a comment, because it is a place where we will put a link for read. As we see, we make our we make our page like an items that we are asked to put it. Then we have under the page we have a link that will project us to the read about us, which will include the information of our applications. So we here it is the way we put the link. So as see, then we are going to close it. I'm going to close it. So make sure that all these are closed well. Yes. Oh, these are closed where yes. I think so. All these are closed well. Then we are going to create an item of this page. Let's let's call link for read about about us. Make a link about us. Then we came here. Yeah, I think it's enough. Then after link, let's close our div. We have created the div. We created it before. Div 1. And then div 2. Maybe and div 2. So as we created it. So we are going to skip then. We're going to create the another class which is container div class which is container div class which is container. Then you close it. So here I'm going to put all the so I think you have div class box. No, here class will be those items for making that grid we have asked it to do. We are going to each class will be named as its product in order to make grid in order to make a grid of our page as scenario ask us to do. So the grid page or column 1 it will include a computer. Then let's move here. Computer. Then section 2 will include all column 2 also camera. It's put camera. Also here we have camera. Then close our div. Then it came here. Put phone. Then put a printer. Then after that we are going to put a third one which is or footer page. Let's call it our product Also, it is a column. Let's call it footer. Footer. Then our div section closed. Yeah, I think this is enough. So this is enough uh, our page. Let's remove this gap. Let's remove this gap also. Make sure that there is nothing you have delete. So as you see, this is our home page. Maybe I can run it, and you see, let's use the web app. You see, this is our page. This is our page. So we are going to style it and add some Rito JavaScript or Ajax for styling it like a professional web developer, which will make our customer to be certified by using our web. So we have to be careful when you are going to use CSS. So let's close it. So before you're going to enter in styler here, in styler.css, I want to, before to make a link so that each code we are created, it will be directly enter in index.html, which will help us to reduce the times taking in coding. So we are going to create some link here in the bottom of the title. So let's link one, call it link layer style 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 sheet style sheet. Then what a link, where link will come from. Then use the left, which helps us to link. Don't call it style .css. So also we can move away from here by creating the link of GSS. Also, let's copy this for reducing time. Then update here GS. Then update here by script script.js. As you see, your link have problem because we are not closing it. Also here we have to close. So we are going to move on our style.css style. As you see, I've done my already ranking anyway. You see, this is our page. You see, this is our page. So we are going to make the links so that our item will come here. Also, our this, you see, this is this information are not meaning, they are not provided meaningful. You see, we have a camera and double camera here, so it means that we are not style our page. So we are going to make it like from here. This is a grid, but we are not make it. So we are going to make this to become a grid and this to become items, to become an items. Also, this it will be a button with the hover animations for making our user place the cursor here. She or he will see a amount after placing the cursor to this page. So let's move to the style. So in our style, nothing it is upper. So we are going to start by styling the body. by styling the body. Let's minimize this. Then let's declare a body. Body to include yes. Then our body. First of all, we are going to make the background look good. So let's start by declaring the family, font family, which is let's put like user interface. Then this font family also we can use like Roman, but let's use only this, as you see. Then after mentioning the font family, then you have also to do a background color to include its use like hashtag. Let's put the color. I have minded in. Let's choose like this. This is the color. This color. I like this color. I like this color more. So after that, let's save it first of all and become an index. Then run the application to see if there is some changes, debugging anyway. Then close it. Then refresh it. So see our page color has been changed. So it means our style .css are linked perfect to our HTML file. So let's move and continue for styling. Next things after background, you have to style our color of the text. So make color have memorized some color like sleazy. So you see this color, no need for searching on a website. Also you can memorize it. Yeah, you can memorize it. Then we are finished for styling our body. Then let's continue to the header section. So what we want in our header to look for. So as you see before, we are not using the ID decorations, so that's why we are starting by a dot for header, like, then close it. Also in header, we need a background color. Background, let's put linear gradations. Also have memorized the degrees. Let's put 5 degree, like, or we can change it like 30 degree. Then underscore. Then choose a color. Then for choosing color, you place hashtag, and then you declare anybody you want. Let's declare a 0, like any number, 0a, and let's change it like to let's change it. Also you can put your desired color. I have 0. Your desired color. Also you can put your desired color. Let's put this. Then so let's copy this color for making our body look good. Copy and paste here. So you can change those numbers. Put like EB. Yeah. Let's change it smaller things in our page and to see what's satisfied to your page. So also our text must have a color. Let's declare a color. Then let's make it white or height. According to the scenario, the height must not exceed to the 100 pixel. Then let's call it like 90 pixel. Then move. So our display, let's put flex. So if you put a flex to the header, it will help you to automatically move your text from center up to the left or from center up to the right according to the your coding sections you have put it like in main bar, so or a product display. Also it is a very important section. Let's put flex. Then where we want our item to be arranged, so we want our item to be arranged in center. So align item center. Let's call a center. So also we want our padding sections like padding. Let's put no like up to 30 pixel. Then our font size become 22 pixels. Then our font weight font slash weight become like 600. Then also we want a spacing between each letter, so we put letter spacing, I think, yes, letter spacing. Then you put 1 pixel. So after that we want our shadow in box, so we have to declare the box shadow, which is box slash shadow. So first of all we have box 1 to be 0 up to 4 pixel, and second one will be 11 pixel. Also you can put any number you want according to your wishes. Then we have a color which will be in our no. Then let's put 00. Also I think we put another 0. They do it 15. Yeah. And it will be in RGB color. So after that we are finished to declare this. Let's save it and then learn it from index. Also we can go to learn, then start debugging. So start debug anywhere. As you see, then you see our process. It is in a good way. Then let's back to our sections, which is style.css. Then we will continue to style it. Then after that we are finished to style our header. then we are going to style our main body to be displayed and have a great padding section for making a user to be satisfied by using our web page as a scenario ask us to do it. So we are going to call it as, because we declared before in the index. Let's put dot for uh, calling it, let's, which is called main. Then after that we have to open it and close it at the same time for better improve that you are not making any mistakes in your coding. So first of all, we are going to put the display in our main sections. So display, yeah, our display must be flex, yeah, must be flex. Then after display, I think we can put a padding section, padding. Then we put our pixel number we want. We can put one according to the to your wishes. You can put tens, but most perfectly you have to take a range from 30 up to 50. Let's put like 40 or 30. Let's put 30 pixel. Then after that, let's save it. Then after you have finished to style the main sections, the third section we have in our index.html, you see it is a product. You are going to style the product, also our product to be look good. So let's call it dot product, dot product. So close it and open it at the same time. Let's make space here. Let's product. After product, we are going to give it a width also. Width. Let's first of all look our product here. Yeah. Header, class container, product, yes, yeah. Then put width, which is 30 pixel. Then display, also display, you can't forget it, flex. Then we want a flex slash direction, which is column. We want it in column. Then the gap between each column must be 30 pixel or 40 according to the way you want it. So after that, after styling this, so you see that we have styled the main sectioning and the product sectioning. So we are going to style also here will remain some things. Oh, no, but it's enough. I think it's enough for these sections. So after as you see before, we have declared x all here where I have declared it here we have declared a XOR which will be act as the class name. So we are going to style it. We start by dot XOR, then close it and open it at the same time. Then we first of all we have to consider to our display and flex directions. The other one you can consider here in this part also, you can put a gap. We need a gap in our class Excel. So let's start by display. I think the display, yeah. Display, then put flex. As you see in the whole of my code, I will use a flex directions for display. Then also we need the flex direction here, flex direction. So where we our direction will be selectors when we run our code to see the output of the project. So we want it to be in column section. Then after that we are going to put the gap in our pages. Remember that we are in exo sections, so gap will be like 10 pixel or 20 pixel. Let's put 10 pixel. Then after that we are finished. Let's delete this gap from here. Then after that sorry after that uh, we have the lead about, but before that, this the configuration is enough for this. So let's save it. uh, After save it, and also came here for learning to see the output of where we are now. So put the debugging anywhere and close this, then reload the page. As you see, uh, as we are continuing to style our page, you see that there is some space which are going separated from each other. As you see, this section from start to the computer up to the our product, right now it's changed, and the gap space we put it also, it is applied well. So we are going to continue to style it until to the satisfied or to the user's satisfactions. So let's close it and back to the code. Let's put in style. I think up here, let's make the comment. First of all, let's make the comment for. Let's make the comment for. No comment. Comment in style don't look like that. So no. Let's make comment here. Here we will add the read about. Yes. After that, we will add a read about. Because of that, because let's done it before I explain it. Bugging in here. The reason we will put read about, because we want a read about to become under this printer. So this section from computer will go up to the right bottom of our page, and then read about it will come at the bottom in the left corner. So I think it's understandable for everyone. Then let's back it. Then here we will add read about. Read about. Yes, I think. Then close it. Let's move. So as you see here, we are finished. Something I can call it like initial speed. So after that, read about. Let's first of all, let's go in the read about. Let's go in the read about and start to create read about as we are asked to do it. So for read about, also we are going to make it as an HTML page, but here we make some mistakes. We call it about. Then it is easy for we change it after we link it to the GS or style. Let's go to the about. So in about, also you start by declaring doc type HTML. Then also we put HTML language. Then enable it then close it, HTML, here of HTML. Then after that, let's put header section, head section, then close it. After that, we declare a meta, I think meta, then cast a UTF or UTF minus 8 as usual, then close it. After we make link to the style .css as we want to style it, so we are going to make the links. So we write it like this, done there, which is reflect as to the style. Then no mistake, yeah, style sheet, style sheet. Let's move this. Then stylus sheet. After that stylus sheet, we have to make which distributors to the link, then style style.css. So after that, you see that clear our header. Then let's close it. Yeah. Then after header, we are going in our body. Then what to include in our body? So in the body, it includes the what users see. Also, there are some information or activity that user cannot see, but those activities are not included in the body. It's included in the header section. So in the body, we put all information user must need in order to be satisfied by using our web page. So in the body, we put some paragraph which explain the Unguka Limited company. So that paragraph, it will also include all or specific information also user must need when they are using our application or our website. So let's also declare a header to link up to our header in style.css. Then here we put a class, then we put header. So after that, let's put header one, close it, then put about as, yeah, about as. Then our header is closed. Check it, you have to check it before you move to the next. Then we are going in a section page where you can get section easily. Let's search section and no section. Yes, I found it. A section, then class. Then what types of our button, what types of our class here we are putting. So we are going to put about slash page. This is about about slash page. Yeah. Then after that, we are going to explain before we are going to read the whole paragraph, what header of the paragraph. So the header must be specific to explain who we are. So I think here we can put like a header 2 because we declared header 1 before. After header that, then it means here we have the mistake. Then let's close it here. Then after section, we have close it. Then let's put here header 2. Then after header 2, we have to put the information like who we are, or we can put other things. Let's put like what we do, like let's put who we are, who we are. So you can put it in a capital letter, but for to be easy, we are we can put style like this. Yeah, this satisfied to me. Then after that, we close it. So we remain in header 2. Let's put a paragraph p. Paragraph, let's close it. Then our paragraph, we are going to create a paragraph. Let's put all what we want. So let's start by our company name, Nguka Limited. So the capital letter. Then put the paragraph here. I have an idea, like let's specify all good activity done by this company. Then put the definition of company, like let's say Mukabad is a company, that company that selling like high quality. So you put the information that user must see it, high quality ICT tool. This this is enough. But we can put such as all our items, such as a computer, like computers, camera, iPhones. Oh no iPhone, phones, and printer. Let's put and printer, and printer. Also, you can explain more things here. Also, you can put our specification. Let's put our specification, like we aim to provide modern reliable, something like that, reliable and affordable technology. Reliable and affordable technology and affordable technology. Maybe this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. So here, after our paragraph, let's let's do what? Let's save it first of all, and came here in index. After to you remember that before we are going to here we put the comment for making our link will be direct in this sections after this div. Then we are going to put the link of that div. So let's put the link. Then let's call it like A. Link started by A. F. About. Let's call it about the HTML, not T, because we not T, because here we don't put the letter T. It's a mistake we made, but you have to control our mistake until to the final project. So let's press enter. So after that, we have to put its class. Its class. It is lead slash about slash link. So close it I think. Then put information read about as, yes, maybe as must be good. Then after that, let's run it to see where we are now. Then debug anywhere. Then close this and this, and then reload this. You see, read about us come. Let's click on it. So you see that our read about link, it will direct us to the another page, which is uh, about.html. So after that, let's may hit a back, then close it and back to the our uh, coding section. Then let's continue in our read about. Maybe this is enough for read about. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. After that, so if a user finish to read, if user finish to read our paragraph, what will be next? So user will need to press the button for backing to the home page, like what you can call like home page. So let's let's come here, then put a link, also a link for backing, uh, which will act as a back button. Then as is, we declare a link like this. Then where will be back? It is in index.html. Yes. Then class section name, it will be a back slash button. After that, you can put like back to home. Yes, this is the description of our button. It can be a back to home. Back to home. Yeah. Then save it. Let's also run and see where we are now. Then debug anywhere. So after that, close it. Then you see our button are created well. So let's hit back to the style, to the CSS style. Then continue to style our page. As you see, we are in read about. Then in read about, you are going to declare it like read slash about, as read slash about. We miss something here. Then about, yes, this. Then slash link. Then open it and close it at the same time. Then in a read about link, we will include a background. Yes, it is background color. Let's call it steel blue. Yes, steel blue. The other things like color, let's put color for maybe let's find my color, which is white smoke. Yes, I found it. Then padding, let's put also padding. Where we padding slash left, padding slash left. Also we need padding slash right slash left, then padding slash right. Then put here value and let's call it like 10 pixel. then came here like in the subphone 10 pixel, then come here for padding, also top padding, 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 no, padding top, put it 2 pixels, then also padding bottom be like 2 pixels, then third one is the border, border slash radius, border radius be 5 pixels. Yeah, this is enough for this. Then let's continue for this. On this section, which is a box, before that, let's save it and run it for see the outcomes of this. Then let's debugging anywhere, so and make some refresh. You see that our button read about has been changed. So let's apply this. You see our login, our page has been successful changed. So let's back to our section of code. Then maybe there is nothing which we can there's nothing else we can add to our read about link. So maybe our first sections for our scenario, it is end up here. So the first one, it is for adding grid. According to the scenario, it is for adding grid. And but first of all, let's make a box, maybe a box for making also our page look good. So dot box, then make background, so background will be white, our hover box. So then padding, then you put padding 25 px and 15 px, then put border radius, also border radius to be used. Let's put like 15, 16 or 18. Let's put this. Then where we want a text in our, you see, let's first of all run this. We see where we are. Let's debug it. Run everywhere, debug anywhere. So let's back to the, then with back. See our books are changed. You see our books are changed well. So let's continue in our CSS. Then our border radius, after our border radius, then where we want the text, it is in the center. So text align, it will be in the center as usual. Then also we need a font weight, font weight, which will be like, let's put like 500, 600, like let's put like let's put 600. Then after font weight, other things we can add here. Let's add like, also we need a cursor. Yes, we need a cursor. Then before cursor, let's add a font size. Also be like other. Then cursor, which will help us for controlling it, like where we want a cursor, it is as usual it is pointer. Then after pointer, that user when point cursor to the our let's learn it no, start debugging. No, yes, so let's go to the index and make a learn. Yes, then debugging anywhere for more explanations. So you see, if let's reload, you see if you see our cursor, it is pointed. So if a user move cursor to this, it will be shown that we are directed to our box. So let's clone it and back to the style section. In our style section, maybe there's something you can add, which is a border, like one text. Then what color we want, solid. uh, let's put like hashtag solid. Let's put like, also you can put a number, and then you can change it after. Then you can change it after. Then after that, we want a box shadow. Then let's style it like adding a box shadow. Then after box shadow, let's put like this. Yes, it will add. Let's double it. So I have let's use RGB color here. No. It is better for putting here zeros. Yes, it's a very important to put here zeros. Zero must be for, yes. Zero must be for. Then out you can put some dot you want. Let's put like 0.8. Yes. Then after that, box. Also we need a position for information position. A position, then it will be relative. Yes. Then we put overflow. Let's put overflow, like, which will be hidden. Then make translations. So you have to style your page so it will be a certification for user. Transition, put transitional all. Let's see it, Control Z. Then put 0 dot like 2, no, 3 second. Then so we have finished. Let's save it. After save it, let's go to the box hover. For hover that for hovering that product, maybe it is let's again run it and see. Maybe it is this computer. So let's hit back, then cancel, then back to the style.css, then make dot box hover, box hover, yes, then close it and open it at the same time, then put transitional, not transitional, it is transitional, transforming, yes, transform, put that transit, yes, then put -8 pix, yes, then make a scale, also make a scale for like 1 and dot zeros 2. After that, make box shadow, like a box shadow. Let's copy this, and do the change, some smaller thing. Let's put here like 15, like 15 or 18. Let's put 15. Yes, then change here like to 25 px, and change here like 10. So after that, this hover button we have created, then after hover, we after hover, maybe we can style at the price. Yes, style at the price. And left 50, 100, yes, transition, transform, be like translate, like translate to 50 pixel, no, 100%, then background be like yes, be like this, be like blue, yes, yes, color, let's put also color, be white, yes, then padding, be like 6 pix, then after that make border, yes, border slash radius, like 20 pixel, 20 px, yes, then font size, make 13 pixel, then opacity. So after that, going also to make a computer over, to be computer over, computer over. Dot place to connect. Yes, computer is over. Then bottom, bottom, bottom B. Bottom B 10 px. Then opacity become 1. Then after that, you see that we are configure it well. Then after that, we are going. Maybe this is enough. This is enough for this, and then let's move to the grid. Yes, to the grid. You see, maybe I can learn it before I move from here. Let's debug code, then let's refresh. You see, when you click here, you see, yes, then let's back to the style.css. Then let's see if miss something. Then also we style. We can style here like let's style a container. Yes, let's style a container. Yes, let's send it dot container. Container. Yes. Then display to the first grid. Let's make the grid. Yes, grid slash template column 1. And after that, grid slash template, grid slash template low. Nodes become like 20 px, double px, then back to. Yes, as you see, our grid are not the same. Then after that, gap between each grid must be 5 pixels. Then width become like. Then background become blue as I asked. Then after that, padding becoming like 20 px. Then border, after that border will be like 5 px pink. Then its color, you see that we are asked to put a red, then you put solid red. Yes, then after solid red, you text alignment, align text, align content, align content in light side. Then after aligning content, our display will be like in a grid form. Then its width uh, its width must be like in 50 pixels. Maybe I have pixels. Then after that, we have to justify our content. Justify a content in flex and flex start. Yes, it is a big good in a flex start. Then after that, we have to margin our content, margin left. Let's put auto margin. Yes, which will help us to push it to the right. Then its position must be absolute also. Then put the top, which will be like this, or can you put as you wish. Then let's also like be like 20 px. So you see, then let's save it and run it for see where we are now. Then let's run it, debug anywhere. Then after that, let's load it. You see our grid are in process to be created. So what you miss, it is the line which pass here like this, and the product become here like in between both, but in bottom. So let's back to the CSS styling. Then let's make it look perfectly. Then let's put the container div. Then container div. Let's close it and open it at the same time. No, open it and close it at the same time. Then put the border of our container. Let's put like 2 pixels. Each color must be white as the scenario asks us to do it. Let's put a solid white. Then after solid white, let's put a color which is not color. Yes, which will be black. Then after font weight, let's put font weight also. Let's search it and put it font weight, which will be bordered. Then after bordering a font weight, we are going to justify our display, which will be let's call a display like flex. Then where we want our content to be justified, let's justify it in the center. Justify a content in the center, and see. Then after that, justifying, let's put the alignment of the text, alignment items also put in the center. So after that, let's save it and run it to see where we are now. So let's put run, then debug anywhere. So after that, let's close this. Yes. Then reload. You see our grid are in the process to be created. So what we miss here, our product are not in the good directions according to the scenario we have. So we have to make it look perfectly like our scenario as we are asking. So also camera are not in a position, so I'm going to collect it in CSS. After that, let's close this and open this. Then after aligning the items in the center, so we have to make our computer also, as you understand, our computer must be different in size than other. So this also coding each items on itself, as we call it in our in our index.html. So let's uh, code each device. First of all, let's start for computer. Computer, no hover, yes. Then open it and close it at the same time. Then let's make it grid look like grid columns. Let's put like 1 and 3. After, then after that, which will help us to know a full width of the grid. Yes. Then after that, make a camera. Let's press dot camera. Then after that, let's close it. Then dot camera, dot camera, yes. After, make it grid low, grid low, yes. Then 2. After that, make a grid column, grid slash column. Then after grid column, B1, yes. After finish that, let's also call phone, phone, which will be like same like camera, yes. Grid grid low, which will be also 2. Then grid column, which is 2. Then also the third one you can add from phone, it is the margin, margin at the bottom, yes. Margin margin right, margin right, no, margin right, let's put bottom. Then put like 70 or 75 pixels. Then after that, we have finished fonts. Let's go to the printer. Let's declare printer, which will be like open it and close it at the same time. Then also it will be like a phone. It's grid grid low, which will be a 2, and grid column, which will be a 2 also. Then margin, its margin must come on top, margin top. Then put it like same as like phone here. Then put 75 also pixel, which push it below phone. Yes, this will help us to push it below phone. So we have to go to also coding our footer. So our footer will be like a footer. You see, this is, we are not creating this now. You see, when you go in index, you find that each classes we call it like computer, camera, phone, printer, footer. So we have called it before going to the CSS styling. So let's go on footer, then open it and close it at the same time. Then it's grid slash column, and it will become 1 like before, like here as you see, like here. So 1 and 3, yes, maybe this, yes. Then after that we will see the changes to our grid. So also maybe this is our yes, after footer it is our grid styling. So yes, this is our grid. Nothing I can add here. So let's save it and go to running our project. Then let's start debugging anywhere. So after that, let's close this and load it. You see, our final project are very coded well, as our scenario asks us to do it. So you see our final project. Yes, let's zoom it all. You see our project. Yes, we have a header one, which is a which will describe the name of all which will coming our customers when you enter in our web page. So also we have the grid section, which include our product like computers, cameras, phones, printers. Also we have a section of computers. So we are remaining to put the computer money here, so we are going to do it. Yes, let's hit back. Yes, let's hit back and go to the, you see the computer, our computer here, a price of computer. Then let's go back to the style. Yes, style.css. Yes, you see, then let's go to the header product. Yes, then read about to, yes, box. Yes, price. Yes, as you see our price. Yes, let's make some like cut. Let's control Z it. Let's cut it and save it and see what missing here. Then bugging it and load it. You see, you have hover sections like, yes. Let's come back to the code, and then come to the style. Then control Z, I put this price dot over. Let's add over this, then save it and go come to run. You see, reload it. Then let's back to the code. Maybe we don't save it. Then let's save it again and came running application. Then let's close this. Yes, then load it. Then let's see what missing. When you hit about Z, then let's save this. Then done. Yes, you see our project are finally created. So as you see here, when you click on read about us, it also direct you to the Unguka descriptions. So when we hit the back, also we came here. So what we can add next, we can add like styling this read about. Yes, let's remove this computer here and see what Z. Let's save this and come here to run it. Let's run it, debugging anywhere. So let's run it. Yes. Then after that, you see that our web page are working well. Then let's save it. Yes. Yes, let's back to the index to see some. some changes I have made it. Yes. Also, you see that our product here, as you see, I will put it. Then when you come to this CSS, yes, yes, it is a very well. So after that, let's commit. Yes, as you see, is hovered. Then after hovered, let's fix it well. After hovered, then what will be displaying? It will be displaying a price, class price. No, price. Yes, opacity. Let's make opacity like 15. Save it and go to index learn debug anywhere. Then debug anywhere. Then after that without. You see, you see, you see that you have changed it. Yes, after you place the cursor to the computer, the amount of the computer or the cost of the computer it will available, but don't perfectly look well. Let's also come again in CSS and then style it. Let's close this. The word make it like look like 20 pixel. Then back to the index, run it, start debugging. Yes. See when you click the amount is available. Yes. Then if amount is available, it means our style are working well. So let's like here we are making some let's let's move this like its opacity. Let's opacity be like 10, like 10. Yes, its font size be like 20. Yes, border radius be like 30. Then save it and see what change. Then debug it. After debug it, run it here. Then refresh your page. After you see that yes, you see our our amount of the product will come. Yes, let's back to the let's back to the then move radius. Font size is this. Yes, font size also it is this. Then you back and run it. Yes, it is a step by step to solve the problem. So after that, let's yes, you see. Then but here there's some problem. Yes, let's Let's minimize it and come up here to the style. After that, I put certain pixels, then save it and run it. Then after run it, let's go to the debugging section, then load it. Then after you click here, you see the price is come here. Then it seems that this is our application are created. All our app, our web page are created well. Yes. So after that, yeah, let's come here and we are going to add. We are, as you see, we create this. Yes, we create this. So the remaining thing is a script. Yes, we are going to add a script in this Java by using JavaScript. Yes, let's create it like so. Let's start by script and close it. Yes, then what we want to script, it is a read about. Let's start by script we want. Let's construct yes, about, let's const about link. Yes, go document query select. Yes, after that let's close it. Use this symbol. Now let's add this. Then what we want to scripting is a read slash about then put link then close it here by using this semicolon. Then let's about link dot add event add event add event then after that let's open this, then put click yes, click slash function, maybe thing slash functional. Yes, functional name. Yeah, let's put not parameters, let's put like parameters. Let's put here like what like parameters. No. Let's change it here and put like a dot prevent default, then put this to make it and close it. what we miss here? Oh, we miss something here. Let's let this, yes, you see there's some change. So this it will stop a default link behavior. So after we finish to uh, we finish to make this script, so this script will stop the default link behavior after we press it. So let's make what, so what the option will affect it before moving page. So before moving page, we need something here. So let's also let's put here the about, it's about link. So we are in link tina text tina text equal to let's make it equal to loading and put loading like this. Yes. Yeah, after that let's close it by using semicolon. So what mistake we have made here? So there's some mistake, I think. Let's find the mistake. Yeah, because here we have the problem. About link.inner text. So we have some problem. Let's find it. Close it. Then after you close it, yes, there is no some mistake. Yeah. No. After let's set time. Let's set timeout, which will be greater than. So it's this window. Timeout will be window dot location dot f, yes, then equal to about dot html. No, equal to about no about dot html. Let's put it in html, then close it. You see the why we put the link of about is because here we have declared the about, and we have saved the document as about.html. So that's why we have missing the t here. So let's continue and then close it. Then here timeout will be like let's put like 106. Then it is closed well. Then after that let's close here. Then after close here, yes, maybe this our script end here. Then our script will end here. Oh, then our script will end here. Then let's save it. Then after save it, let's come here to the index and run our pages and see what are the changes are made. Let's load again. Then after load, you see when you click on read about us, you see this script. We see that you see this page. Yes. Then this page it is says to the about us. Then let's hit the back. I see. So read about us. Yes, I let's back to the code, then into CSS console. Then let's go to the let's go to the about. Yes, I linked well. Then when you hit the back, yes. So I think this is a code I have used. I have also, before I created these files, index.html, script.js, style.css. Also, I make the about.html. Also, I have missed the T here. So this is a meta meta type I have used in all of our documents. So as you see, I've learned it, and you see the output. Yes, let's make it again, and you see the output. So this is the output of our page to become like look like this. So you see this camera, when I put this the hover will also put the amount of money here. Yes, also I can make the camera also I will put the amount of camera here. So let's make like a sample to describe it here. Like let's put, you see this the computer, and you have over, you have declared it. But if we came here like let's declare like, also we have price here. Then declare after computer, let's copy this, copy, and came here. Then if you press dot let's run it and see what we are going to make it be hovered. Camera dot camera, yes, dot camera. When you come here and press dot camera, dot camera, you see, then our camera must be hovered also. Hovered, hover, then dot price, then dot price. Then you put like what you put on a computer. You see, bottom, bottom. Then you see it's is it 20 a pixel. Then after that you close it by using that semicolon. Its opacity must be like 15, and then save it. After you save it, it means, doesn't mean that it is directly work. Then you come here on index, then run it, you see, to see what they are changed. Then click here, you see there is nothing changed. But if you came here, then cancel. After that, then come to style.css. See computer, see price dot box over, then box read about us. Then let's come here to the our board and copy this. Copy and come here to the camera, then press it, and then also this card a box camera. Then you save it. After you save it, run it to see run it to see what are changed. Then go here and press it, then nothing changed. Then you come back to the style box. See, let's come to the CSS box over. Yes, you see dot box over. You see dot box. We have also declared. Yes, you see. Yes. Now all things are done with, you see, when you declare it. So let's come back to the CSS and remove all changes we have made, and then we remain our project. Yes. So as you see, this is the end of my project. You see, when I learn it, you see it, learn it well, as I have been asked by teacher to do it. So like when you press here, also amount it come, also grid are created well. So also I read about created well. So I think this is the end of my project. So as you see, then thank you so much to give me this scenario. So also have I introduced myself. My name is NDAYIZEYE BORIS. My leg number is 25RP 08884. So thank you. This is the end of my project.